What's up all? In today's video I'm just going to be going straight to the point, and that is by giving you all the details on how I did make these side tables, because in today's video I'm going to be making two side tables for one of my clients, and I'm going to be mixing two colors, that is a cherry in color, this brownish piece of wood, and a white MDF. The boards that I'm using in this DIY today are 3/4 MDFs, and I'm going to be using 2.5 inches of screws for this one. You need drills, and also you need some cutting tools for this DIY today. The measurements for these side tables was 14, that is 14 inches by 16 inches by 16 inches. Yeah, so those are the measurements if you want to try something like this. Yeah, and then I'm going to be using some metallic legs, which I did paint them black, and basically that is what I'm going to be doing in this video today. So if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. And if you're new subscriber or this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome to our channel. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. You can also visit our channel, watch more of our contents, because we normally have a variety of videos, starting from these DIYs, transformation videos, makeover videos, and many more. So in this video today, as I said earlier, we are going to be making two side tables, and this is the process or the procedure. Everything is illustrated in the video, so keep watching the video till the end so that you can fully understand all the steps, materials used during, and tools used during the process. You can see here I'm using a drill. Most of the time I'm using the drill, but for the pieces of wood I did pre-cut them using a circular saw, another I did cut them using a table saw. So for this one, the length of the side table is 16, the depth is 14, and then the height is 16. So I hope you got the measurements. Then the legs that I'm going to be using are around 8 inches. So those are the measurements. But if you are not getting these measurements, or you are not understanding, kindly comment down below and I will tell you, or I will elaborate on the measurements if you want to try something like this. But basically this is how I did make the two side tables. So keep on watching the video so that you don't miss out on anything. Don't forget to like the video, comment on it, share with your friends and family. Yeah, and I will see you in my next videos.